our technology seminar about Java. And our guest speaker is Dennis Jago.
Alright. So, since I've heard that you're not familiar with objects and classes, what I'm going to discuss will be objects and classes. How do I approach this? Okay, so objects and classes, if i-compare mo siya, okay, the best way to discuss objects and classes is to compare it sa real world. So, let's just say we have something, a car. Okay, what defines a car? Sige, I'll start. A car has its model. Right? So, model like Toyota Camry or Toyota Corolla. So, yan. Then, meron siyang manufacturer. Do you still follow? So, manufacturer will be Toyota, Honda, Hyundai, whatever. So, aside from that, anong meron sa car?
Wheels.
Yeah, that's a wheel. Aside from that, engine. So, follow niya. So, what does a car do? Move. Move, stop, of course. Accelerate. Ayan. So, from this model, we can establish objects and classes. Now, sa example na to, in terms of programming, if we're going to program this, the class will be a car.
Saan yung datas ganun?
So, yan. Public class car. So, okay. So, the class, siya yung parang siya yung parang magde-define ng isang item. So, in our case, our item would be a car. Gets niya? So, define natin na car has a model. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, we're going to create a data type na model. Do you still follow? Aside from model, meron siyang manufacturer, wheel, engine. Still follow or do you have any questions? Kasi, or sure kayo nagigets nyo?
Yes.
Pero, okay, sige. So, yung car, meron siyang model, manufacturer, wheel, and engine, right? So, and a car has to move, stop, and accelerate. We forgot something. A car has a speed then. Right? So, yan. Yeah. Thank you, Pino. And, speed. Ayan. So, if hindi gumagalaw yung car, the speed is 0, right? So, if gumagalaw siya, it's more than 0. Yeah, basic physics. So, a car has to move. The question is, paano natin papagalawin yung car? So, dito papasok ang methods natin. Okay? So, we want to have a public void move. Yan. Ibig sabihin, a car has to move. Pag kinall mo yung method na to, ibig sabihin, dapat mag-move yung car. Got it? Okay. So, how do we make it move? So, yung speed natin, i-increase natin. Speed is equal to 0. Increase nga pala, di ba? Speed is equal to, for example, 5. Gusto natin, yung speed ng ng car kapag nag-move, magiging 5. Still follow? Pero, na-imagine nyo kung paano siya i-apply in real programming code. Okay. So, aside from move, pwede rin natin siya i-stop. Okay, stop. So, how do we stop the car?
Speed equals 0.
Right. Speed is equal to 0. Okay. So, parang ganito yung this is the idea of a objects and classes programming. Nafa-follow nyo. So, mag-define ka na isang object. Then, sasabihin, you're going to ask yourself, ano ang attributes ng car? Ng object na yan. In our case, our object is car. Then, nag-define tayo ng attributes niya. Then, the methods kung anong ginagawa ng object na yan. If we're going to see it in a programming code, nag-prepare ako sa inyo ng isang programming example. Tapos, in-animate ko na siya para ma-demonstrate sa inyo how to apply this in real programming codes. Okay, can you please turn on the projector? Ano ba yun? Click mo lang. So, in this programming example, papakita ko sa inyo how to apply yung tinuro ko sa inyo. So, I will create a class. Ngayon, what we want to do is that, type ko na lang dito. So, what I want is that meron akong circle. Yung circle, gusto ko iba't ibang color siya. So, we have an attribute of color. Okay? Aside from that, yung shape, yung circle can have different shapes, di ba? I mean size. Kasi shape na yung color. So, we have a size.
Shape na yung color.
So, in this example, dalawa ng attributes natin. A circle has a color and a size. Okay? So, gusto ko naman, yung ginagawa ng circle, gusto ko siya mag-move. Mag-move siya. So, meron tayong move dito. So, yan yung i-demonstrate ko through this demo. So, mag-create ako ng class na circle. Okay. So, may pag-class circle na tayo dito. So, a circle has attributes? Color. Which is what data type? String. And? It's size. Right. Now, paano nga pala, this is, since papakita ko na siya sa'yo through an animation, I would like to add something like, XY coordinates niya. Gets mo bakit? Or no? Para, for example, this is the screen. Gusto ko malaman kung saan siya magsa-start. Tapos, papamove ko siya. So, anyway, i-program ko siya, then I'll explain to you how. So, gagawa ko ng public void move. I-move ko yung circle. So, gagawin ko is that in order to move the circle, sige. Anong gagawin natin sa X? Plus. So, going to X plus equals to 1. Okay. So, eto na yung natin. Eto na yung objects and class natin. Then, i-demonstrate ko sa'yo kung paano siya apply. Since gumamit ako ng animation, pwedeng wag nyo muna pansin yung code ko sa kabilang class ko. Kasi, may hindi nyo pa siya need. Or unless gusto nyo ituro ka na. Kasi magagamit nyo siya sa last final MP. So yan. Mamaya. De-demonstrate ko. So I will use yung class ng circle. Yung class ng circle is, meron siyang x, y coordinates. Okay? So, nasa na yan? Ayan. Kukunin ko siya. Circle. C. Ayan. Oh yeah. Aside from that, parang we want to to put color and size, di ba? So what we'll do is maglalagay tayo ng isa pang methods para malagyan natin ng value yung color and size. So we have public void set color. So if is set color, then string color. So yung mangyayari is set color. Yeah. So yung purpose nito is that since walang value yung color, pag kinol ko yung class, gusto ko lagyan ng value attributes niya. Gets niya? Or are you gets mo?
Yes.
Okay, sige. Kidding niyo. Ganyan nga talaga ng mga flash. So, yan. So, isa-set natin siya yung color. See that. Set color. Then, so siya red. Okay. Then, aside from color, gusto ko siyang gawin, isa-set natin siya size, this, that size, yeah. I would like to set the size 50. So, yeah. So, parang to explain briefly what I did in this animation code is that I declared yung circle. Okay? So, what I did is that in-instantiate ko yung C, yung circle. So, ibig sabihin, nag-create ako ng isang object na circle. Okay? So, dito, saan siya? Sa taas. Hindi ko abot. Okay, bababa ko siya. So, dito, kinuha ko yung attributes ng ng circle. Which is, kinuha ko yung x and y and size niya. So, ganun ko siya ginamit yung object. If I'm going to run this, so parang ganyan yung mangyayari sa circle. Dapat. Pero hindi siya dapat pa-slash. Since move natin to the right, dapat pa-right siya. O since hinarcode ko siya, kaya ganyan yung behavior niya. So ganyan yung how to implement it. So parang, I just used yung methods and parameters natin para para ma-move yung circle. If hindi natin siya i-animate, mas simple. I-display ko lang siya sa print line. So, gusto niya ma-view siya through print line para mas mag-gets kung paano siya ma-implement. Because, okay na siya kahit hindi. Okay na siya. So, okay. So, that ends our lesson. Nag-gets niya or do you have any questions? Sure? Kasi magagamit niya siya sa final end. Alright. So there.